This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Welcome home to the Terravista floor plan by David Weekley in the highly sought-after Waterset community. This beautifully well-kept 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home also features an office. The open-concept floor plan includes a spacious family room right off the kitchen, perfect for entertaining or enjoying the big game with friends. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, outfitted with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample cabinetry for all your storage needs. The built-in buffet in the dining room provides additional storage and a sleek, functional space for guests and dinners. The open design ensures a seamless flow from the kitchen to the dining room and family room, leading out to the rear lanai in a beautifully landscaped expansive backyard with private conservation views. The primary room features 3 large windows that fill the room with natural light, and a massive walk-in closet that rivals the size of most bedrooms. The ensuite bathroom offers double sinks and an oversized shower. The split floor plan provides privacy, with 2 secondary bedrooms and a shared bath. The office space, which could easily convert to a 4th bed, offers privacy for remote work or gaming. This home sits on a corner lot, offering a covered entryway and a secondary courtyard-style patio for outdoor enjoyment. Waterset is a master-planned community featuring resort-style amenities, including 3 community pools, sports courts, walking trails, parks, and more. So why wait? This home has it all and won't last long. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.